Before cutting the wood, elevate it with another branch so it's off the ground. The use of bowsaw is a good opportunity for teamwork. Make sure that you and your partner are wearing gloves on your helper hand. Cross your helper hands through the saw and take turns pulling. Once the cut is blade deep, you can uncross your hands and keep on sawing until the branch is cut. After using the bowsaw, I clean it with a soft cloth to remove any debris left. I spray WD-40 on the cloth and use it to wipe the blade. If the bow saw needs sharpening, I use a triangular file and use it to file each tooth on the cutting edge. I use the cloth again to wipe it in an outward motion.